Check my Phantom wallet out. $5.9 million purely made from deving meme coins. No luck, no trading meme coins, just deving on repeat. Stay right here, I'll show you exactly how I built this portfolio from zero. Now, if you guys did not know, I used to trade meme coins 24/7. I used to be a fucking bum. I used to jump into every single trending coin I could find, thinking I was early, but in reality, every single time I bought inside a meme coin, I got completely dumped on, over and over again. And that's exactly when it hit me. The real money is not made by trading meme coins. It's actually made by creating and launching your own coins. That is where the real money is. And when you launch, you decide the rules. You control the supply, the timing, and the entire narrative of your own coin. You are not risking anything from your own pockets because creating meme coins on the blockchain is actually free. You guys will see later on into this video. And right now, Bitcoin should be pushing higher and Solana is peaking. It's the best time to start deving. You guys need to keep watching because bro, I used to trade meme coins, but now I'm making a lot of money from deving my own coins. This is the new method in 2025. And by the way, everything I share here is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please don't copy me because everything is fake. Cap! Now most people go to Pump.fun because they think that this website is the best platform to dev meme coins. But there's a huge problem. Pump.fun's problem is simple. Too many tokens, too oversaturated, and not enough visibility for your projects. Your project gets buried instantly, and you don't even control your own liquidity. So even if you launch a meme coin and you're up a couple $1,000s, you cannot even touch that money because you don't control it. And on top of that, your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to bond onto the Radium DEX. I just hate that. And that's exactly why I switched completely to create token.Io. Because on this website, you can launch your coins freely. All your coins launches directly onto Radium and they are instantly migrated on the Radium DEX, which means it will be viewed by thousands of potential investors, tens and thousands of trenchers, 24/7. That's actually insane and that's real exposure. You get full control over all your coins, okay? It's fully transparent and you get a shit ton of buyers and a shit ton of momentum. You guys will see why thousands of people use this website. Now here's how the process works on this platform to make a meme coin. You have two different options to, create a coin. The first option is to create from scratch. So come up with a meme idea. Go on X, go on TikTok, go on Instagram, go on whatever the fuck you want and look for something trending that you could make a coin on. Let me see. Like this, Phase Ronaldo, make fun of me. That could be good because he had like a body transformation, 300,000 views. What else? Telling the Twitch CEO that Pump.fun will eat their platform. That could be good too for another narrative. But yeah, you get the gist. Once you have a good narrative, come back to create token.Io, and then invent a name, add a symbol, take a screenshot of anything and just put it right here for the meme coin logo, and just like that, your coin is created, custom made to your liking. And after a couple more steps, your coin is live on the blockchain. That's actually insane. But the second method, bro, trust me, is my personal favorite because it's the most profitable one by far, and that's by copying trending coins that are already blowing up. Now these tokens right here are already trending on Pump.fun. All you have to do from now on is just copy one and launch it directly to Radium. And because the hype and traffic are all already in these coins, you'll see instant buyers and a serious amounts of profits from the start. You guys will see what I mean in a couple seconds. Alright, let's put it all into action. I'm deving a coin right now live on camera so you can see exactly how fast it all happens and how it works, okay? With no cuts, nothing. So, first of all, make sure you connect your Phantom wallet and then click on the refresh list button because it will have all the new coins right now. And let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go for the dog rider coin. It has a last buy 16 seconds ago, which is kinda good, 50 replies, and a decent PFP. So click on the create coin button. ignore the block, and then click on proceed, confirm, click the box right here, confirm, and then the coin should be created / copied on the blockchain. Boom. And if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's live, it's on the blockchain, okay? It's actually legit, okay? But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is easy. We're just adding liquidity into your own project. That's what gives your coin a real market on Radium, so people can instantly buy and sell once your coin is live. So there's 2 simple steps, alright? For the amount token A, click on the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. For the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own project. You are not losing any SOL here, okay? It's just locked into the pool as your first buy. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, that SOL will come straight back to you, back inside your Phantom wallet, because you are the creator of your coin, right? Obviously, you have to do this step because you are controlling the pool, you're controlling everything, right? Pump.fun controls the coin, but now you control the coin. So I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, right, just to be safe, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on the create pool button. After that, click on confirm. After that, simply click on the refresh button right here. And if you scroll down, boom, the dog rider coin is on live. Our P&L is at $0. We have 900 million tokens into the pool. Now, if you click on the refresh button for a second time to refresh the pools, now we're up $200, like $191 in USD, which is like 1 SOL. Because now people are buying inside their coin, okay? Now, if you want to view the coin, you could either copy paste the pool ID or right here, and you can go on Axum or on NeoBullX, or you can just click on view on Photon if you have Photon. Let me go on full screen for a better view. And yeah, now the coin is live. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck? We're getting so many buys right now, what? Oh my god, yeah, this is insane, bro. Come on, it has to pump. As you guys saw, we're already up a couple $100. Like, right off the bat, bro. It's actually insane. And this is why I love deving coins, because, bro, we are creating coins for free, and then there's people buying in organically on MemeScope. Like, literally on MemeScope. Anybody could dev meme coins right now through create token.io and do this, bro. Like, look at this, bro. Come on. And, bro, some people can get... Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? It's... Oh my god, bro. It just edged me. It edged me. Come on now. Yeah, I was about to say that anybody can make coins and just, you know, if it goes viral, bro, your whole life is changed, literally. Like, yeah, 1.5k market cap, 1k liquidity, volume decent, transactions decent. I think I'm going to give this coin a bit more time, and I'm going to be right back when the time is right. Okie dokie, I am back after a couple seconds actually. I have to go eat, so I'm just gonna make some money right now. So we are at the $2,000 market cap, which is like 4 times more than before. And then yeah, so come back to create tokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button for like a 3rd time, right? And now, as you guys can see, we're at a $1,900 profit, okay, in USD, with a $2,000 market cap. That's not bad, bro, in a couple seconds. Now, click on the minus button, do 100%, click on the red button to, you know, cash out the money. And now, as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount of SOL, which is like 9 SOL. It does change every single second. Click on the confirm button. And bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins on repeat. If I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much we made off this coin, boom, $1,800 straight inside my Phantom wallet. Let's fucking go. By the way, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join the Telegram down below. And yeah, bro, good luck to everyone who entered.